Hello students, today we will discuss about the growth and development of the Picaresque novel. ठीक है, आज हम इसके बारे में पढ़ेंगे थोड़ा सा. The term Picaresque defined. The Oxford English Dictionary defines the word Picaresque as belonging or relating to roughs or nabs. It is applied especially to fiction dealing with the adventures of rough. Okay, it is applied especially to fiction dealing with the adventures of roughs. Picaresque fiction is the autobiography of a picaro or a rough, and in the form a satire upon the condition and persons of the time that gave it worth. Life history, first heading है life story of a rough. Okay, the Picaresque novel is the life story of rough or picaro, a clever and amusing adventure of low social class who learns his livelihood by tricks and roughery rather than by honorable industry. The story is usually told by the picaro in first person as an autobiography. If at their best the Picaresque stories have a beginning, they have no end. The adventures and wanderings in different social settings permit the picaro to meet people of all classes. Second है curiosity about life. The Picaresque mode is not basically concerned with moralizing but with the curiosity about life. It presents life realistically and faithfully. For satirically humorous or critical delineation, it lays no emphasis on the elevation of morality. Next है anti-romantic. The Picaresque novel is an anti-romantic and attacks indirectly the romance of chivalry so popular in medieval Europe. The coming of the Renaissance chimed the death knell of the medieval feudal society. As the old society was passing away, vacuum was created in the society. Life became miserable and people felt much difficulty in keeping the wolf from the door. The novelist tried to present the anarchy and disturbance of the times, and so there sprang up a new genre, the Picaresque novel. Spanish Picaresque novels. The Picaresque novel in Spain was born as a reaction to excessively romantic and chivalrous fictions which was quite in vogue then. Lazarillo de Tormes is the first Spanish novel which gave a new turn Picaresque to literature. This short-lived book traces the career of the son of a servant girl from his first employment as a guide of a blind man to his ultimate attainment of social responsibility when he becomes a member of civil service. Another important Picaresque novel was written in 1599 by Eliman, whose shows are remarkable. Knowledge of various aspects of life and his style is racy. Some critics consider Guzman to be the greatest Spanish Picaresque novelist. Another important Picaresque novel was written by Varvedillo, who describes the adventures of female rough. She played tricks on her lovers. And another important novelist in the Picaresque traditions, Overorder is a prominent Picaresque novelist of Spain. He is remembered for his history of the life of Vascon. Somewhat akin to Spanish, Picaresque novel is done by Caravans, who accomplished his purpose by placing the world of romance in the real world and letting the character and sentiments of each mutually play upon one another. Next, a French Picaresque novel, a far better known Picaresque novel which exercised a profound influence on Fielding and Smollett, is the French Picaresque novel Gil Blas by Lesage. The hero is a likable rascal seeking his fortune in many places, attaching himself to a variety of characters, from a gang of robbers to the crown prince. The Picaresque novel of England owe a very great deal of their inspiration to the Spanish Picaresque novel. Thomas Nash was the first English novelist who presented the Picaresque element in his novel The Unfortunate Traveller. It is the most remarkable work in Picaresque fiction in English before Defoe. After Nash, the Picaresque tradition was kept alive by Richard Head and Francis Hickman in the English rough. In the first half of the 18th century, the Picaresque novel was popularized in England by Daniel Defoe and Samuel Smollett. Daniel Defoe approached his work through the training of a journalist and a writer of pamphlets. The autobiographical method of the Picaresque novel fell in exactly with his talent. He published his remarkable Picaresque tradition is the anti-romantic, anti-feudal realism and a lack of pattern. Defoe enlarged the scope of the Picaresque novel by presenting the life of a dissolute heroine. Moll Flanders is the story of an easily seduced Picaresque heroine whose fortunes rise and fall on her amorous experiences until she reaches the old age, only slightly pricked by conscience for a big life. Smollett is another 18th century novelist who wrote Picaresque novels. He was an omnivorous reader and was acquainted with all the Picaresque novels, whether Spanish, French or English. He wrote 4 Picaresque novels: Roderick Random, Humphrey Clinker, Ferdinand Count Fantom and Peregrine Pickle. In the preface to Roderick Random Smollett pays tribute to Cervantes and Le Sage, who had reformed the taste of mankind by directing fiction away from the improbable romances of the Middle Ages and using it instead to point out the follies of ordinary life. Smollett appeals to wider range of interest than Le Sage did. He expects the reader to be sympathetic rather than merely curious, but open-minded enough to look dispassionately on the raw scenes of low life. Smollett's realism finds expression in the sordid details of 18th century life, the blowing out of brains, hacking off the limbs, and the emptying of chamber pots, rather than in the plausibility of his plot. Fielding's novels such as Jonathan Wild and Tom Jones are redolent of the picaresque elements derived from the Spanish genre. In Tom Jones, Tom's adventures on the road are in the picaresque traditions. Okay. For the first time, a realistic picture of life in the picaresque novel. Moreover, it popularized a literary genre in which people of low. Moreover, it popularized a literary genre and humble origin from treated sympathetically the broad social canvas by with descriptions of trade and professions, mingling of all social classes, and the ironic survey of moral and manners we find in the picaresque novel. Okay. Thank you for watching.